Well, as reviews go, this will be a live review, kinda, because you're actually gonna cook with our new Ridgemonkey, aren't you? I know there's
never used one before.
No, never used one before, and I know there's probably hundreds of reviews out there, but this is us reviewing the steamer one as well. So in a minute we'll get it out of the packet and go from there. Right, this is the new Ridgemonkey. This is the Connect Combi steamer set, gunmetal grey. First time out of the box.
What other colour would you want?
Yeah, well, we're pretty good at this, pulling it out of the box without never looking at it before, so you get to see when we mess it all up.
Oh. Right, the first thing I have noticed is it is quite heavy.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that's because of all this stuff that's in here. So what have we got? Recipe ideas. And then a how to use, I'm assuming. So, I do. So.
What's that? Oh, it's a steamer plate. So you can put other way around.
Oh, why other way around?
Because the other way around is sectioned. So you can put different things in and steam different things.
Well, how many different things would you have? Okay. Alright, well you can have it both ways then. If you have a lot of something, you have it the other way.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
A lot of the same thing. Oh, this must be the handle. Oh, there's a handle for both.
Excellent.
So,
Does it go the other way around, or is it? That's good.
well, if it does go the other way around, I'll put it on wrong.
Is there no tools?
No, that's it.
Oh, it should. I'm sure it said tools included.
No, it's just a bag. I think you've made the assumption.
Ah, right.
Because
yeah.
you saw the bag with the handles. So, I don't go that way. I definitely do not go that way.
Okay. Right, so they only go one way.
I don't know.
That's on there.
Well, you wanted to know whether they went that way, but
Yeah.
the answer is no.
Yeah.
The answer is definitely no.
That's on. Does that go on the other way around?
Hold on a second. Well, it went on just now.
Push button, perhaps, maybe? Is it on?
That's it.
Ah,
It
is that
locks
like
it.
a lock?
Yeah, but that one did it by itself.
Okay. So,
Okay, so I suppose you can have it, use all of that and use it that way.
yeah.
Or section things off and have it that way.
And you can use them separately.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, so no, you can use them separately.
Oh, if you have a big enough
So-
thing.
No, so you can pull them apart.
Oh, can you?
Yeah. So hang on a minute, bear with me. So they've got that's got to line up like that, I think. Hang on a minute, you should be able to use them separately. Is it like that? Yes.
They don't look like they come apart.
Yes, they do. They do. There you go. Slide.
Oh, right. Okay.
So you've got a nice big frying pan
Okay.
and a frying pan there and a steamer, or
Right.
you can put them up the other way around and do toasty things with them. So there you go.
Thank you. Right. There's my broccoli done.
So what are we cooking tonight?
We are having steamed salmon with sauteed potatoes and fresh broccoli.
Excellent. So,
And I might make a garlic mayonnaise.
oh, excellent. How are we going to steam?
Well, I think we'll use this little doobery.
Okay.
So, yeah. And got to do my potatoes as well, haven't I? So, I think what I might do is put my salmon in those and put my potatoes in there, actually.
Okay.
Having not used it before, it's going to be a bit trial and error, isn't it?
Right.
Oh, look at this, look. Oh, that looks a bit of a dinner for a camping trip, doesn't it? Right, not for me though. Sausage, bacon with black pudding. Well, that's probably as non-vegetarian as you can possibly get. Oh, here we go. This is very similar to what we've got today.
Which is?
Which is broccoli, sauteed potatoes and cod. So that is what your dinner is going to look like.
And that will tell you how to cook it.
Do you know what? I
know you know how to cook it. I mean, which part of the steamer to use? Because it actually says there, look, use the... Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Gives you guidance. Right, watch this space when we start cooking. So, salmon in. Into our, you love this little cookery thing, the little kitchen unit thing, don't you?
I do. So. Not the best grind you've ever had this thing. Can't see down the front of my jug.
I'm not up that, honestly.
Bit of seasoning.
That really comes out, I like that salt, comes out lovely.
Yeah, it's quite coarse.
Yeah. Not coarse as in rude.
Right, only to preference, just a little bit of fry light to... Oh, I don't like being on that angle.
Okay.
So that's the fish.
Yep, fish goes in there.
Alright. Can
Yep.
you attach the two things back together again?
Of course I can. 2 seconds. We're just going to attach it back together. Okay, so it's back together. That's in now.
So
Let me stand up.
I'm just going to switch that on and put that directly on there, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
I assume so.
Ah.
Is it doing its thing?
Well, not yet. It'll have to heat up, won't it?
Okay. So that's it. We're cooking on gas.
Oh.
Literally. So that's in the steamer. Anything. We'll come back to you in a second and show you how it's going. While we're waiting, just put in some garlic and some mayo together.
Oh, okay.
That's my trick.
We haven't used any mayonnaise since we've been here.
That's unusual.
What's that?
I like mayonnaise. Garlic mayo. Excellent. Garlic mayo done.
A little bit.
A little bit more. Like a bit of salmon. Can't smell it yet. What do you reckon?
Well, it seems to be cooking very quickly.
So are they frozen? Are they?
No.
Ooh. That dissipates the heat well, doesn't it? That smells good. There's a lot of people have said that this has been their one-stop sort of cooking implement. I know Bus and Beyond did a really brilliant review. But
oh, that gets hot. Tell you what, don't touch it with your finger. That's my top tip.
Should I put the extractor fan on?
Yeah.
So there is a lot of
this is our extractor fan.
this is really good because I can actually see that there is, if you come and stand this side of the camera, this side of the lens, and can you see
Oh yeah.
all the sort of heaty wavy things? So
What, steam, do you mean?
yeah, that's what I mean. So it's going well. It's smelling really good. I take it this is non-stick.
Yeah.
Them potatoes look good. Is it near or is that cooking really quick?
It is cooking very quickly. This is not a walk away and leave it type of exercise, is it?
Oh, we're back checking. Not chicken, checking. We are checking. Looking good. So go on, you just said the middle one seems to be getting...
This one cooks faster, so when you're checking stuff, move things around if things are cooking too quickly. And what I would do is if they get too cooked, I'm going to put them on top of there. Take them up, keep them warm, but take them off the cook.
Yeah.
So, let's have your assistant.
Okay. So that should rest back on there. So.
All right.
So, oh, sorry. There was a, what do you call it moment there?
What?
A tea cloth moment.
It's the steam. It's the steam I don't want to get me, so look at that.
Ooh.
Right.
Oh, that looks good.
5 minutes and counting. So yeah, a 15-minute meal.
Excellent. Okay, set a timer for another 5 minutes. We can do that.
Over.
Right, so go on, you just said what?
Now that I know that this compartment cooks faster.
That's the middle one, yeah?
Yeah. Well, I suppose it's more on the heat, so it makes sense, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Then, as I get used to this, then I'll know what I'm doing a bit more. But it's very, very simple.
Just like me, really.
What people have to be careful of is it does cook extremely fast. So you would need to...
Heat dissipation.
Well, you'd need to know your cooking times of things because you don't want the potatoes burnt while your fish is still raw, do you? So,
true.
Yeah.
Not that sushi, nothing wrong with sushi. So, this is the broccoli. I mean, this is the Van Gogh set, which was absolutely brilliant. You're really, you like this, don't you?
What is good about it is once you've cooked, you can keep it as a little oven. It keeps things warm, and obviously if you insulate it with your tea towel, dry your tea towel off at the same time.
Excellent.
Everything stays hot.
Brilliant.
And because they stack, what I found this morning is I can have. We did beans, so beans were in this one. The frying pan sits in this one, doesn't sink into it; it sits on it.
Yep.
Which you add your sausages in. Put your lid on. And so then you can be free to be cooking something else while that's all staying
So
hot.
not only is this a Ridgemonkey review, but it's a follow-up on our Van Gogh review. Van Gogh thing review.
Right, what a shame you can't smell this because it smells divine.
It smells absolutely amazing.
The only thing I wish I had was some lemon, but all your potatoes are done.
Brilliant.
So nothing sticks, that's quite good. So
Excellent.
I'm going to plate it up.
Brilliant. Good. Do you want the heat off? Oh, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, people, I wish you could smell this. Oh, this does smell very good.
Can the cameraman hold a plate?
Cameraman can hold a plate. Can hold a plate. Where do you want the plate?
Just there, hun, because I'm just going to take it off the skin.
That's falling apart.
It is falling apart. So that literally was less than 15 minutes. So this was fresh salmon. So obviously it cooks nice and quick.
If you want to leave the skin on mine, I don't
No,
mind.
it's stuck to the. It will have stuck to the.
Ah, right, okay.
Right, so.
Despite all rumours, we are not massive eaters, are we? We don't.
Well, we eat little and often, I think is the word, isn't it? So.
Excellent stuff.
One more. Hold up.
Brilliant.
There we go. And then if you put.
Two.
Well, that pretty much. I'm rather sold on this.
What, the Ridgemonkey?
Yeah, that was just stupendous, wasn't it? How quickly that cooked.
I'd lick the paper.
Yeah. I wouldn't have put that directly on there. I'm assuming it's non-stick, but it's so much easier to do that than to clean a dish.
Yeah.
Can put the plate flat, please, Mum?
Yeah, of course. There we go.
So
my watch is buzzing like mad to tell me that.
okay, I can put it back on. You can put it on the table.
There we go.
Oh, I'm stuck. It's a magnet. That's quite amusing. Right, it's quite a strong magnet, all right. So.
I'm vibrating like mad at the moment.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go. So. Oh, on big plates, it looks like we've not got lots of food, but.
There we go, hun. So.
Come on, I want you to have a taste and tell me what you think.
Well, it's my own cooking, isn't it? You're the taster.
No, you've cooked. I want you to tell me what you think.
I don't know. I'll have a bit of garlic mayonnaise. So, a little bit of salmon, a little bit of broccoli, a little bit of mayonnaise. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So,
congratulations to the cook.
yeah, Ridgemonkey, good.
Fantastic.
Excellent. We'll do something else next time.
Oh, very probably.
Excellent. Right, this was the Ridgemonkey. Thank you very much. We're going to enjoy our food. Bye for now.
Bye.
Oh, can I just say, that was bloody lovely. Empty plates. Yeah. Ridgemonkey. That will be our new toy.
Well, it's cooked the salmon perfectly.
Absolutely bloody gorgeous. Yeah. If you found it useful, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and
Ring the bell for notifications.
yay, got it. Bye for now.